Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and placing it on a clean, flat surface under good light. Use the wet wipe first, then the dry wipe, and finish with the dust removal sticker to eliminate tiny particles. Once done, peel only the backing tab enough to expose a narrow strip of adhesive. Now align the protector to the hinge and camera cutouts precisely. Make sure the top and bottom edges match before you proceed with any full contact. With the protector aligned, lower it in one steady motion from the hinge down toward the open edge so alignment stays exact. Press the center of the protector lightly first, then use a microfiber cloth or the supplied squeegee to push out toward the edges. This prevents trapped air. Make sure you work slowly and consistently across the fold area because the flexible protector must sit flat over the hinge. If a bubble appears, press it gently toward the nearest edge. Finish by running your finger or cloth along every edge to seal the adhesive. Warm your hands and rub edges gently to help bond. Make sure the hinge opens smoothly and the touch response is normal. If you feel any lift, press it down while folding slowly. If a stubborn bubble or dust speck remains, lift only to the nearest edge and reapply. Do not peel diagonally, and use the dust sticker to remove particles before smoothing it back. That single corrective lift usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.